My Video Web Show is your own personally branded internet television show where you can stream live or run infomercials for your business 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all with just a few clicks of a button. And it's connected to all your social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and more. Now, with just a click of a button, you can invite people all around the world to come and watch your show. Stream live events, playback recorded events, or upload videos. Create multiple shows. Create fully customized playlists. Add events to announce playlists. Embed your shows and/or videos with or without chat and multiple websites. Our built-in community allows you to subscribe and follow your favorite shows. Send messages between yourself and those you follow. Receive notifications when a show goes live. It has a fully customized news ticker, powerful media library, statistics and reports, and of course, a fully customizable look and feel to incorporate your branding with our easy-to-use built-in theme designer. You can even password protect your shows, creating a pay-per-view atmosphere. The possibilities are endless. Churches have been able to take their message from the four corners of their building to the four corners of the world with just a few clicks of a button. Nonprofits love it because they can fundraise with it all over the country. Fitness instructors love it because they just took their business to the entire world and make money while they sleep. My Video Web Show is an absolute game changer, and it's available exclusively through My Video Talk.